Hi, my name is Bethany Branson. I am a freshman at University of South Florida going to get my finance degree, and my U number is 59345026. The data set that I used is from an insurance corporation that contains more than 65,000 insurance sales records from 2017. The fields that it includes in the data set are the region, state, salesperson, insurance type, sale, date of sale, invoice number, and the country. For requirement 1, I first went into Excel and fixed all of the typographical errors in there before I uploaded the Excel file into Tableau. And then for the second requirement, I put the sales into the column. For the third requirement, I put the sales in the column and the region in the rows and also organized it from highest sales to lowest. And the Northeast region had the highest in sales at $9,301,632, and New England had the lowest in sales at $4,833,311. To figure out who was the leading salesperson in each region, I put the sales in the columns section, and for the rows, I put the region first and then the salesperson. And the first person in each salesperson list is the one with the highest sales for their region. For example, in the Midwest, it was Dave. In New England, it was Chrissy. In North Central, it was Mario. In the Northeast, it was Fred. In the Southeast, it was Frank. And in the West, it was Kylie. The total dollar amount sold for each type of insurance can be shown in under requirement 5 with the sales in the column and the region and insurance type in the rows. By putting those in the columns and rows, you can see in this graph the total dollar amount of each type of insurance sold by region, and it shows that the Midwest did the best in selling professional insurance, as well as the Northeast, and the professional insurance is clearly the most popular type of insurance in all of the regions, and life insurance is always the least popular type of insurance purchased in each region. For the sixth requirement, I created the map chart to show the total sales for each state, and this just demonstrates what we already knew from earlier, that the Northeast had the highest in sales, because you can see that the states in the Northeast are all the darkest blue, which signifies that they had the most in sales. I concluded that the Northeast had the most sales because they have New York, which was one of the most, which is one of the darkest states, whereas the rest of the states are all similar in tone of blue, which signifies that they didn't even come close to the Northeast region.